Welcome to your tutorial on how to return your device for maintenance. Step 1. For preventive or curative maintenance, start by sending an email to helpdesk@proengin.com, specifying your device type, quantity, serial number, and the Non-Contamination Certificate. Step 2. Receive a confirmation email from the Proengin team to initiate the shipment. Step 3. Complete, if applicable, export control formalities and send us all documents. Step 4. Prepare your device. Unless kit refurbishment is requested, please remove batteries and H2 cylinders from your kit. Ensure no consumables remain inside the device. Do not forget to check your sampling solution. If consumables remain in the case, comply with dangerous goods-specific packaging. Step 5. Pack our devices with the original carrying case or shipping box if possible. The non-contamination certificate must be placed outside the device case. If the certificate is missing, the device will not be processed. Step 6. A quotation will be sent by our team. In the case of curative maintenance, a detailed breakdown of the operation will be included in the quotation. Repairs will begin only after your approval. Step 7. Once maintained and/or repaired, your device will be shipped back to your place.